The Honda CEO just revealed their new Ridgeline, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. We have been ignoring the Ridgeline, often chasing after the big names like the Tacoma and the F-150. But let's be honest, recently trucks have been overpriced and they don't even have anything useful. But Honda listened to their customers, and on the new model, they kept features that worked and fixed those that didn't. And that is how they are killing the competition. But there is more to it than just that. Let me explain. What's new? The Honda Ridgeline has a lot to offer. Its unibody construction and fully independent suspension makes it easy and fun to drive compared to conventional body-on-frame pickups. A gutsy V6 engine enables quick acceleration, although towing leaves something to be desired compared to the likes of the Chevrolet Colorado, Ford Ranger, and Toyota Tacoma. The Ridgeline's 5-foot bed is modest in size but comes equipped with a spacious underfloor storage area, which also functions as an ice chest, and a two-way tailgate. Updates for 2024, including bigger screens, wireless mobile device mirroring, and more storage space in the center console, made the interior a much better place to spend time. Based on our experience with the 2024 Honda Passport Trail Sport, we aren't expecting the toughest version of the Ridgeline to be an off-road revelation, but soft roading should be made a little easier with upgraded tires, a suspension lift and tune, and underbody protection among other upgrades. It won't be long before Honda is due to release a next-generation Ridgeline, if it elects to do so. The interior is showing some signs of age compared to newer models in the automaker's lineup, but otherwise, we think the trunk still has plenty of merit as a practical pickup. Performance and MPG's every 2024 Honda Ridgeline comes equipped with the same powertrain, a formula we expect to carry over into 2025. All models receive a 3.5-liter V6 engine developing 280 horsepower and 262 feet of torque, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and standard all-wheel drive. In our testing, the Ridgeline accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. We're anticipating that the 2025 Honda Ridgeline's fuel economy will carry over from the prior model year, which was rated at 18 to 24 mpg city or highway for most trims and 18 to 23 mpg for the Trail Sport. What off-road upgrades are equipped on the Ridgeline Trail Sport? Honda introduced the Trail Sport trim to the 2024 Ridgeline, and we expect the off-road-oriented package to carry over into the new model year. Features include specially tuned suspension, stabilizer bars, and general grabber AT Sport tires. To protect the truck from debris on the trail, Honda adds underbody steel panels. The 2025 Ridgeline Trail Sport is expected to carry over with the same cosmetic enhancements as well: black trim, a mesh grille insert, orange accents, 18-inch wheels, and available exclusive diffused sky blue paint. Safety features: the Honda Sensing Suite of active driver assistance tech will likely be outfitted on every 2025 Ridgeline pickup truck. This array of features includes front automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Parking sensors are the only option not expected to be standard on more basic trims. Cargo space and interior room: every 2025 Honda Ridgeline will come in a single configuration, a crew cab paired with a 5-foot bed. Although the bed and cabin trail some rivals in terms of space, the Ridgeline makes up for its deficiencies with clever features that aid livability. Under the bed, there's a 7.3 cubic foot cargo hold that doubles as an ice chest with a drain plug. The tailgate swings down or out to the side for easier access. Improved performance: the 2025 Honda Ridgeline Hybrid does not disappoint when it comes to performance. Equipped with a state-of-the-art hybrid system, the vehicle delivers a perfect combination of efficiency and power. With smooth and agile acceleration, the pickup guarantees an unparalleled driving experience, whether in the city or on the highway. Furthermore, 4-wheel drive provides stability and safety on different types of terrain. Towing capacity: the 2025 Honda Ridgeline is equipped with a robust V6 engine and advanced towing technologies, enabling it to handle various towing tasks with ease. The towing capacity for the 2025 model remains consistent with its predecessors, providing maximum towing capacity up to 5,000 pounds. This capacity is sufficient for towing small to medium-sized trailers, boats, and recreational vehicles, making the Ridgeline an ideal choice for weekend adventures and light-duty hauling needs. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video, and let us know with your thoughts about this truck in the comments section.